Hello friends, see you again with
Gary Channel.
How are you? I hope you are well. This time we will assemble the vehicle, friends. What vehicle? Do you know what vehicle this will be? Let's wrap. This is the part. This is vehicle head. This is vehicle tap recycling. This is a vehicle body. This is the wheel. This is the bolt. And this is a screwdriver. Let's wrap. We attach the head to the body. Install the ball. Next, we install the tap recycling. Install the ball. Then we install the wheel. Install the ball. Install the ball. Install the ball. Install the ball. And finally, we attach the front. Install the ball. Wow, it's finished! Do you know what vehicle is this? Yes, you're right! This is a sanitary agency vehicle. The name is recycling truck. Don't break your toys, friends. Take care and save it so you can play it again. See you again. Bye bye.